channel, and today's video I'm going to introduce you a new face scrubber, a silicone face scrubber that will help other women out there to care for their face. So let's begin. So I received this as a sponsored product. Thank you very much for giving this to me and trying it for 2 weeks. So let me give you the details about it, and I'm gonna tell you what can I say on this product, okay? So I received it in a good box like this. It's designed for oily mixed dry skin. Let's see in the box. Included in the box is the handle. This one comes in a pink color. But later I will give you the website on it, and also the charger, the cable for it to charge, and the manual on how to use it, and this one, the cover for the silicone. Okay, so in this handle, the silicone, guys, there's an on and off button, this one, and the downshift and upward shift if you want to go on a fast mode or in low mode, this one, up or down. And this is small brush, by the way. This one is really kind of cute because when I try it, I use it in my nose. Wow, it's very good too. If you have any blackheads or like that, this one's very good for it, so I use it. So I'll show you the video, by the way. And this one is the entire face, so when you on it, you just have to press this one, but don't forget you have to charge it first. So this one, so it has a blue light, so it's like a face massager too. At the same time, it will clean your face. So this one, you can hear the sound. So this is the details. So let me show you the video when I'm using it, okay? So time to rate, guys, the silicone facial scrubber. What can I say on this product? I really like it. If you ask me my rating, it's 10 out of 10. Why? Because this one can also be a massager to your face, and also it's a deep cleansing on any bacteria on your face, because this one got a silicone, and this one, this very tiny one, is for your nose, which is I really like, because you cannot see right now. I had a blackheads here. When I use it for 2 weeks for this nose, wow, it's kind of improved. I got the blackheads in my nose, it's kind of improving. So by using this product every day, I can say it really helps. And before you use it, by the way, you can charge it, because of course you don't want to use this product without charging it, and it's safe to use when you're in the shower too. So this one, and the one thing that I really like this one is when you on it, it has a blue light. The blue light, by the way, it has a effect on the skin that will help you repair your skin. This one, that's what it means of the blue lights. And the red light, by the way, helps promote a circulation on your face, which is very good. This is the red light. It helps promote cell metabolism in the face, which is very good too. While using this product, you may notice that it will lights on red, lights on blue. So this one, and also the button for this one, you can make it fast or low. You can hear the sounds, and you can low. Yeah. So before using this product, you must actually wet your face and apply any exfoliator or a facial cleanser. Then after that, you can use this one, like putting here all around your cheeks, down here, and also here. And if you're still enjoying it, you can use this one on your nose, like this one, like I do. But I suggest you can use this one every day after work, like nighttime or before going to work. But for me, I prefer it before going to bed because it helps me relax. So silicone facial scrubber, I really like this one. So every woman out there must have this one. Other tips is when the battery is already low, you can notice a red light here, so you can charge it already. This one, red button means a low battery already. You can charge. For this one, you just wipe it. This one, the silicone brush, you just wipe it with a wet cloth, and if there's any dirt, you can just wipe it a little bit and put it in a dry, clean place. I really like this one. So I will put the link in the description box. Feel free to check out their website, and I can say it's definitely worth a buy. So 10 out of 10 on this product. I really like it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or add something to my future amigos and amigas. Do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye!